That's the refrigerator of a lifetime. 3,399.
That's cheap.
Yeah, sure. If you got lots of money, that's cheap.
Yeah, that's almost like, that's not even $500,000.
Can you get on here?
It's not even half. That's cool. Right there. That is cool. Wow. Wait.
Let's look at the recipe again.
Wait.
Oh, nice. Wow. Your kids can have fun with this while you're cooking.
If they can reach it.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
This.
Look at that.
I need this.
You can be cooking.
We need this.
And your kids can be playing
We
right
need
there.
this. Whoa.
'Cause they'll be
There's
bored.
even a eraser. Okay.
So you can entertain the kids while you're cooking with this.
Now that is
Alright. Where's
awesome.
this recipe again?
Tasty.
Alright. Look at
And
some recipe.
I bet you.
Oh.
Look, I bet you. That is just amazing. Wow.
Alright.
And it tells you the time. Wow.
Yeah.
There's,
You go to Spotify. Listen to music.
Yep.
You can look at the weather. Oh yeah.
It's
There's
got apps in
apps.
Apps.
Yeah. We need
More
this.
apps. We need it. Look at the price.
So you don't have to buy an Apple desktop or iPhone or anything. You just use your
Yeah.
refrigerator.
You can start cooking.
You just use your refrigerator.
Men can start cooking now.
And look,
Because-
Daddy, look.
Thing that instantly approve it.
Oh yeah, by the way, you don't feel like cooking,
Oh, you're
you
recording.
order at Grubhub. Oh yeah. You order at Grubhub. You just order. Dang it, I'm too lazy. I don't want to cook.
Boom.
There you go.
Home advisor.
Oh, let's open it again. Let's open.
Oh.
Let's open.
Whoa.
But check that inside. Ta-da! Ta-da!
That's cool.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
No, it's not just cool, it's amazing.
You're right.
And it has a lot
it's
of
not
space.
just cool, it's amazing.
And it has a lot of space. Look,
Oh yeah.
it
There's
has a
the
lot of
inside.
space. That is just
Check
awesome.
that out. Check that out. Check
That
that out.
is
Check that out.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice.
Lots of room.
Open. Open? You want to open it?
Let's go back.
Let's go home.
Nice.
That is awesome.
That's it. Nice refrigerator.
Oh, shit.